Hello, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 6. In this video I'll show you how to connect headphones. In the beginning, let's take a look at the top of your phone. As you can see right here, we've got typical headphones jack and USB-C port. You can connect your headphones to both of this port. Currently I've got headphones with USB-C cable. Simply let's plug them to charging port and it's done. In both cases, USB-C and headphones jack, you can see that headphones are connected by icon right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.